Hi guys, Rob Lester here from Lester Bathrooms. Thank you for taking the time to check out our channel. We're a bit all about bathrooms, and I just thought I'd tour you around a little downstairs loo we finished today in 4 days. So let's take a look. I might just put a little picture up here of what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. So really bright and fresh little downstairs loo. As I said, we did this in 4 days. So sort of the first day we ripped everything out, built that box section in there for the toilet, and get a first fix in there for the basin. And then the second day we sort of started tiling. Really like these little sort of duck egg blue metro tiles. And then third day we sort of finished tiling, grouted it all, and then the fourth day, second fixing. So let's take you through some of the details. So yeah, we boxed this section off here to have a concealed cistern with a dual flush there, back to wall pan. That really looks nice there in that space because we had the saw pipe coming through here. So it just hides all that mess and all the exposed pipe work there. And then we got our little sink here, 500 little sink, which really works well. This little tap on the side, double door, loads of space in there, tiled in there obviously, just because in case the customer sees it. And then we've got our little radiator. The customer wanted to keep the existing radiator, which I actually think works quite well in here, instead of a heated towel rail on this occasion. And then just half height with these really nice little blue metro tiles. The customer decided not to have a trim on the top, so he just sealed that in a colour match sealant to match the grout. And then we've got on the walls sort of another sort of light blue paint to match the tiles. And then on the floor we've got a nice clip Candine in an oak effect. Matches really well with a nice chrome gripper going out into the existing floor. Little mirror on the wall there, and a couple of Hansgrohe accessories, towel ring and a toilet roll holder. So there we go. Right, really quick one today, but I just thought I'd show you around our latest project here, and we'll see you on the next one. Check out our channel for more content and hit the subscribe button and like this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, bye.